Hi guys, I've just assembled this little ornithopter. No idea whether it'll fly in the back garden. I should think it needs a bit more space if it'll fly, but we will give it a try. So hat camera on my head. Right. So that went sharply round to the left. There are little weights to add on it to try and balance it. And it is quite awkward to wind up. I'm holding it with my finger just there. I'll point it that way a bit more. It also says launch it up at 30 degrees, and I wasn't doing that, so we'll try that again. I think it's that tail. I mean, that seems to be well over. Although that is what it's designed to do, I'm sure. Okay, we'll get some weights. I'll put them all on this side for now. Actually showed them on the other side there. Well, we're not exactly flying round in circles. I'm only giving it about 30 turns so far. Oh, we actually had what we could loosely call a flight then. That surprised me. I've tried bending the tail to reduce the left turn, and we had a bit of success. So we do have a bit of a glide. It's not too bad. I am finding it very hard to wind it up. It's very stiff, those rubber bands. just change those over, just to see if it makes any difference. Well, interestingly enough, it turned the opposite way, didn't it? Well, that was interesting. So I swap those over, so that one's now at the back, whereas before that one was at the back. And it's now turning right instead of left. So I'm going to swap my weights over to the other side. Okay, that confused me. Put that weight back on the other side again. Right, that weight definitely makes the difference as to which way round it flies. Let's reduce that. Close to a flight then. Okay, 30 degrees. $30 was a bit too much. Now that was a success. So I've adjusted that weight, I've been slowly moving it in, which reduces its effect. Oh, too high. That'll do. That'll do fine for me. Any better than that and it'll be flying out of the garden. So that will do.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.